Hello student, let us start space mission. First, can you recall what is the difference between space and sky? The visible portion of the atmosphere and outer space seen by simple eyes without any equipment from the earth is known as sky. The infinite three-dimension expanse in which the solar system, star, celestial body, galaxy, and endless universe exist is known as space. What are the different objects in solar system? Our solar system is the very tiny parts of huge galaxy Milky Way. The sun is the center of the solar system. Sun is the star. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are the planets in our solar system. These planets revolve around the sun. Some of these planets have their own natural satellite. What is meant by satellite? An astronomical object orbiting any planets of our solar system is called satellite. Mercury and Venus have no satellite. Some planets have more than one satellite. Example, Jupiter has 69 satellites. How many natural satellites does the Earth have? The Earth have one natural satellite called Moon. Space mission. Substantial development in technology, especially space technology. In the latter half the 20th century, result in the development of spacecraft making the space voyage possible. बघा 20व्या शतकात खूप मोठी टेक्नॉलॉजीमध्ये आणि स्पेसक्राफ्टमध्ये खूप मोठी डेव्हलपमेंट झाली. सिन्स देन मोर दॅन 1000 आर्टिफिशियल सॅटेलाइट वी हॅव प्लेस इन टू अ ऑर्बिट अराउंड द अर्थ. बघा मागच्या वर्षी 104 इंडियाने लॉन्च केलं. वर्ल्ड रेकॉर्ड आहे सर्वातला. ॲडिशनली स्पेस मिशन हॅव बीन अंडरटेकन फॉर अ क्लोज ऑब्झर्वेशन ऑफ व्हेरियस ऑब्जेक्ट इन अवर सोलर सिस्टम. Solar system, we can classify the space mission into two categories. In one types of mission, the object is put artificial satellite in orbits around the earth for research and various other useful application. First types, research and various other useful application. The objective of second type of mission is send the spacecraft to outer space for close observation and understanding of the object in the solar system or even outside the solar system. म्हणजे सोलर सिस्टीमच्या विविध घटकांचे तिथे काय केलं जातं, निरीक्षण केले जातं, ऑब्झर्वेशन केलं जातं. आणि पहिलं काय आहे, पहिलं कशासाठी यूज होतं, रिसर्च अँड व्हेरियस अदर युजफुल ॲप्लिकेशन. लक्षात घ्या, टू स्पेस मिशन टू कॅटेगरीज आहे त्याच्या. ठीक आहे. हां, नीड अँड इम्पॉर्टंट space mission. The world has become a global village due to space mission. Today, we can contact a person in any parts of the world within a second. We can gather information about the worldwide even sitting home. You know that? You all know the importance on internet. Due to internet, even information is available at our fingertips. It has become possible to get advance alert about the natural calamities and the proper precaution. During war, is the possible get information about the action of the enemies through the aerial civilians using the satellite. It is also possible to explore process reserve and minerals in the earth. There are unlimited application of the space mission. Today, space technology in inevitable parts of the development of nation. Artificial satellite. A natural satellite is the astronomical object orbit the earth or any other planets. The moon is the only natural satellite of the earth. Some other planets in the solar system have more than natural satellite. Similarly, man-made objects revolve around the earth or any other planet in fixed orbit is called artificial satellite. The first artificial satellite, Sputnik, was sent the space of Soviet Union in 1957. Today, more than 1,000 satellites are orbiting the Earth. The satellites work on solar energy, so solar photovoltaic panels are attached on both sides of the satellite, like wings. Instruments are installed in the satellite to receive and transmit signal from the Earth. The satellite has various other types of instruments developing their functions, such as satellite signal transmitted from the Earth to satellite and from satellite to mobile towers, and mobile phone are also shown. The satellites are sent into the space to perform various functions. Depending on their function, satellites are classified into following categories. Satellites are classified into following categories. INSAT, Indian National Satellite, GSAT, Geosynchronous Satellite, IRNSS, Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System, IRS, Indian Remote Sensing Satellite, GSLV, Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle, PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. हा इम्पॉर्टंट पार्ट्स आहे, दोन्ही पार्ट्स हे लॉंग फॉर्म लक्षात ठेवायचे. वेदर सॅटेलाइट स्टडी प्रेडिक्टेशन ऑफ वेदर. नेम द इंडियन सॅटेलाइट सिरीज INSAT, GSAT and GSLV. Launcher GSLV. Communication satellite establish communication between different locations of the world through use specific waves. INSAT, GSAT, launcher by GSLV. Broadcast satellite, telecasting and television program. INSAT and GSAT, launcher by GSLV. Navigation satellite, fixed location of any place on the Earth's surface in terms of its very precise latitude and longitude. IRNSS, launcher PSLV. Military satellite, collect the information for security aspect. Earth observation satellite, study of forest, desert, ocean, polar, ice on the Earth's surface, exploration of the management of the natural resources, observation and guidance in case of natural calamities like flood and earthquake, IRS, launch PSLV. Orbits of artificial satellite. All artificial satellites do not revolve in similar orbit around the Earth. The function of satellite decide the height of the satellite's orbit from the Earth surface, the nature of the orbits, and whether the orbit shall be parallel to equator or making some angle within. To put satellite its proper orbit at the specific height above the Earth's surface, the satellite is taken to the height using the satellite launcher. Then the satellite is given specific velocity known as critical velocity, is denoted by Vc. If the satellite of mass m revolving around the Earth is an orbit of height h with speed Vc, centripetal force Vc square upon r. R is the orbital radius of satellite from the center of the Earth. The centripetal force is provided by gravity of the earth. So, centripetal force is equal to gravitational force between the earth of the satellite. mvc square upon r plus h is equal to g capital M small m upon r plus h bracket square. Vc square is equal to gm capital M upon r plus h. Vc square root Vc is equal to square root gm upon r plus h. G capital G is equal to gravitational constant is equal to 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. M is equal to mass of the earth is equal to 6 into 10 raised to power 24 kg. R is equal to radius of the earth is equal to 6.4 into 10 raised to power 6 meter is equal to 6400 kilometer. H is equal to height of the satellite above the earth, above the surface. R plus H is equal to radius of the orbit of satellite. Depending on the heights of the satellite orbit above the earth's surface, the satellite orbit classify 3 points. First, high earth orbit. Height from the earth's surface greater than 35,780 kilometers. If the height of the satellite orbits above the earth's surface is greater than or equal to 35,780 kilometers, the orbit is called high earth orbit. As we will see the next example, satellite revolve in an orbit 35,780 km above the Earth's surface will take around the 24 hours to complete one revolution. That the Earth also take almost 24 hours for one revolution. If the satellite is revolving in the orbit parallel to equator, the time of the revolution from the earth around itself that for the satellite revolve around the earth being same, the satellite will appear the stationary in respect to the earth. For the passenger in one vehicle, another vehicle moving parallel to with the equal velocity appears to stationary. This is what happens. These satellites therefore is called geostationary satellite. The satellite of the stationary which refers to the earth, they can observe the specific portion of the earth. Second, medium earth orbit. Height above the earth's surface 2000 km to 35,780 km. If the height of the satellite orbit above the earth's surface is in between 2000 km and to 35,780 km, the orbit are called medium earth orbit. The geostationary satellite orbit above the equator, these are therefore not useful to study polar region. For this purpose, elliptical medium earth orbit passing over the polar region are used. These orbits are called polar orbit. In this orbit, the satellite complete one revolution in 2 to 24 hours. Most important, some of these satellites revolve in circular orbit of height of around 20,200 km above the earth. Global positioning satellite. Low earth orbit. Height above the earth's surface 180 km 2000 km. If the height of the satellite orbit above the earth surface in the between 180 km to 2000 km, the orbits are called low earth orbit. The satellite used for scientific experiment and atmospheric study revolve in earth orbit. Depending on the heights of their orbits, the complete one revolution in around 90 minutes. Satellite launch vehicle. Satellite launch vehicles are used to place the satellite in their specific orbits. The functioning of the satellite launch vehicle is based on Newton's third law of motion. The launch vehicle is used specific types of fuel. The gas produced due to the combustion of the fuel expand due to the high temperature is expelled forcefully through the nozzles and rear sides of the launch vehicle. As a reaction of this, thrust act on the vehicle which drive the vehicle high into the space. The structure of the launch vehicle is decided by the weight of the satellite and the type of the satellite orbit. The fuel of the vehicle also depend on this factor. The fuel forms the major portion of the total weight of the launch vehicle. Thus, the vehicle has to carry the large weight of the fuel with it. To overcome this problem, launch vehicles with more than one stage are used. Due to this, the weight of the vehicle can be reduced step by step. After its launching, for example, consider a launch vehicle having two stages. For a launch vehicle, the fuel and engine in the first stage are used. This import the specific velocity of the vehicle takes it a certain heights. One of the fuel in this first stage is exhausted. The empty fuel tank and the engine are detached from the main body of the vehicles and fall either into a sea on an unpopulated land. As the fuel in the first stage is exhausted, the fuel in the second stage is ignited. However, the vehicle now contains only one stage, the weight now being reduced. The vehicle can move the highest speed. Almost all vehicles are made of either two or more stages. The structure of Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle PSLV developed by ISRO of India. The launch vehicles are costly because they can be used only once. USA has therefore developed space shuttles which return to the Earth escaped. The fuel tank can be reused in multiple launches. Satellite Launch Center, Thumba, Thiruvananthapuram, Sriharikota, Chandipur, Odisha. Space Research Organization, Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, Thiruvananthapuram. Second, Satish Dhawan Space Research Center, Sriharikota. Third, Space Application Center, Ahmedabad. स्पेस डेब्रिज अँड इट्स मॅनेजमेंट म्हणजे अवकाशातील कचरा व त्याचे व्यवस्थापन. In addition to the artificial satellite, some other objects are also revolving around the Earth. It include non-functional satellites, part of the launcher detached during the launching, and debris generated due to the collision of the satellite with the other satellites or any other object in the space. According to the one estimation made in 2016, there are about 2 cores pieces of length more than 1 centimeter revolving around the earth. म्हणजे काय झालं होतं, एका अंदाजाप्रमाणे अशा निरुपयोगी वस्तूचे 1 सेंटीमीटरहून अधिक जास्त लांबीचे 2 कोटी तुकडे पृथ्वीभोवती परिभ्रमण करीत असल्याचे आढळले. तर हे काय आहे, ऑल दिस नथिंग बट द डेब्रिज इन स्पेस. दिस डेब्रिज कॅन बी harmful to the artificial satellite. It can collide with these satellites or spacecraft and damage them. This debris is increasing day by day. Soon it will be difficult to launch new spacecraft. It is therefore very essential to manage the debris. Some studies and experiments are being done with this in view. Hope that soon we will have a solution for this problem, and future satellite and spacecraft will not be the danger anymore.